Today we'll show you how to make YouTube thumbnail in 1 minute. Okay, just follow the steps and don't forget like and subscribe. Okay, first go here. Just you need logo and the face. Okay, click and go here and go to your Photoshop or your what you have program. Click like this and like this. Okay, now hide your YouTube logo and go to your face and click here and like this and put this is a face like this. Yes, guys, all like this. Okay, and now show your logo of YouTube and small it. Okay, like this. Wait, like this. Okay, and go now to the text and click put your text like thumbnail, guys, and put like this. This is a black like this and go here now like this. Okay, now we need a shadow here for this logo. Go blending option and put drop shadow and okay. Only finally we have now a logo of your YouTube channel. Okay guys, don't forget like and subscribe and thank you for watching.